All right, Ms. Pippin, why don't you come on up and have a seat here at the table?
Which chair?
It doesn't
It
matter.
doesn't matter, okay.
All right, I have something that Ms. Vitus filed yesterday.
Cindy Bottoms,
Noran Vitus, your attorney.
filed on me.
She filed this saying
Oh.
she is withdrawing as your attorney.
Good.
She no longer represents you.
Well, it's
So-
ridiculous. I can't even have
Okay,
a.
so I need to ask you, are you going to hire an attorney or do you wish that I appoint an
No,
attorney?
I don't want a public offender because there is no, I didn't do anything. Well, can I speak, please?
Yeah, well, yeah, hold on just a second.
Okay, I have been to every hearing and I have not spoken one time. This whole time, 9 months or how long it was, I've not said one word.
Mhm.
I've not said one word.
And
So-
there's a good reason for that.
Okay, now you have.
Well, they didn't. We didn't.
I'll tell you what the reason is.
What?
Anything you say could be used against you in a trial. So every attorney would say, you
Well-
don't say anything.
Well, that's not what they said.
Okay, well,
But I
that's
thought you were supposed to talk.
not here.
Okay, well,
When your trial comes, that's when
okay,
you're.
well, that's ridiculous, a trial for a scratch. And I have not seen any proof. They have to have proof for a restraining order like that, a proof of a scratch. Cindy Bottoms is in a crime with me, a scam. She's in Yelm and I was arrested by you guys, which is not your jurisdiction. It is Yelm's. But I talked to the guy at Yelm the other day. And it's not your jurisdiction either. And so I just wanted to know how she gets, the judge that put this on me, how she gets that with a scratch, a 4. I've never talked to anybody against, and then also too, there has not been one time that I have always been polite. But Cindy isn't, you guys have that charge now, so you're gonna have my house and you're gonna have everything that goes with it because I can't still go there. I can't still go there. Cindy Bottoms is a 30-time felon. I've never been arrested. Taxpayer to Washington State, 25 years. And I can't believe that.
Is she serious with her attorney named Cindy Bottoms? Oh, good Lord.
The way that I've been treated. It's ridiculous. You get nothing. I can't believe the police lie is bad. And the judge that was always seeing me in that one room, he did it too, because I want to see what you guys have on every time that I was here. I want to see what they wrote. Because I didn't say anything. And also the prosecuting attorney is a sheriff. And he has talked to me a lot when he's not supposed to, pretending he's somebody else. And I have been harassed mercifully by the police. Harassed. Throw out my.
Harassed mercifully? Oh, good Lord. You see why you see why your attorney didn't have you talk? This is why.
Car. I'm a female. I don't deserve it. This woman, Cindy Bottoms, is going to get about 8 charges from me today. And I don't want to know why the judge put a restraining order like that on me, because you have to have a lot of proof. And I still, to this day, I want to see proof, like today. I want to see proof. I didn't scratch her. We don't even know each other. I've been trying to call the district attorney for a long time, every time.
They won't talk to you.
Well, that's fine. Well, that's his
Because
loss.
you're the defendant in a criminal.
Well, but see, this is right, but I didn't do anything. This is all made up. Show me the proof. I haven't even, when I went to jail 5 days, well, I was beaten up by guards in the jail.
Ms. Bidas, do you wish to weigh in here?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I apologize. I was just led into the Zoom hearing. I heard just the tail end of that, but unfortunately, just the tail end of the conversation.
I had
You heard just the tail end of the bottom saga.
advised,
That's okay.
Ms. Pippins indicated she would like to talk, and I had advised.
No, I didn't want,
counsel would
I
recommend
thought she was
not-
gonna be here. You know, nobody's here.
Okay, Ms. Bidas is present. She
Well,
is
that's okay.
present.
It's okay. Hi, Noreen.
Okay.
It's okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
Ms. Bidas, go ahead.
Uh,
Hey,
Good
have your
afternoon.
motion to withdraw.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Attorney Noreen Bates
She's-
on behalf of Elizabeth Pippin, who is present in the courtroom. Today, Your Honor, I am coming forward on a motion to withdraw at this time. Unfortunately, there's been a breakdown of communication between Ms. Pippin and our office, and I feel that there has
Because you
been
never call. You never call. I haven't heard from you in a month. I told you, don't go, please, don't go and represent me when I don't know anything you're doing.
Okay, she's
That's it.
withdrawn.
That's fine. Thank you.
Okay, I will grant the motion to withdraw.
Damn, she could have told
All
me
right.
that.
Thank you, Ms. Is it Bidas or Bates? How do you say it?
It's Bates, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll try to get that right in the future.
Oh, no worries at all. And I do have one other matter, Your Honor, as well on your docket this afternoon.
Okay, well, we're on Ms. Pippin's case now, so I'll call Mr. Rubel in a bit.
Yeah, I'll get right to that, but I got to get this Karen out of my court.
Absolutely. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I thought Cindy Bottoms had to be here. Doesn't she have to be here?
No,
Well, that's what they said. See, this is,
You thought wrong. You don't know anything. Shut up.
why doesn't she have to be here? Really,
because we're not doing anything today except for determining whether you're going to trial, which is your next court date, I believe, is July 30th. And that's where the issue of.
and it's gonna
whether-
be with the prosecutor?
I'm sorry?
It's gonna be with the prosecutor?
They won't be sitting there, the prosecutor.
Well, no,
will be
I mean
sitting
over there.
Because they're not your lawyer.
No, I mean, no, yeah.
Okay.
Not my lawyer. I just was asking.
So, right now, Ms. Pippin, you are charged with the crime of assault 4th degree.
Mhm.
I can't do anything about that. The charge has been filed. That's
Right.
the prosecutor
That's
files it.
fine.
Police do the report and the prosecutor files it. Once
Right.
it's filed, that's it.
Okay, what, can I ask you something, sir?
So hold on.
Oh, okay.
Let me give you some information, then you can ask if there's a question after that.
Okay, thank you.
Right now, you have a trial scheduled for Wednesday, the 30th of July. So you don't have an attorney because Ms. Bates just withdrew as your attorney.
Okay,
You can hire another attorney, or you can tell me you can't afford an attorney, and we can talk about whether you're eligible for a public defender.
okay.
So those are your choices. So what do you want to do by way of being represented by an attorney?
Well, I
You
want-
can't just tell me now that you didn't do it and think that the charge is going away. I can't do anything.
No, I
about
didn't,
it.
I didn't say that. I just wanted to see, because like I said, since I've been coming here, I've never talked to anybody. I've never spoke to a judge. I've
We're
never
speaking-
spoken to
we're
anybody,
speaking
so I
today.
don't know. Pardon?
We're speaking today.
Well, that's okay. Well, that's fine,
So what
but,
would you like to do about being represented by an attorney?
well, I don't think I should get one with a public defender, because
That means then you have to pay for,
that's fine.
are you going to do that?
I did it with her,
Okay,
10 grand,
so you'll find your own attorney. All right,
but I can't,
can't do what?
no, because why is it like next week? We have a week? I hired a lawyer already, so I didn't know that, so,
The lawyer you
Well-
hired just withdrew.
well, why is the prosecution not here?
They-
Why-
Ms. Terrakina.
Well,
is the
why is she not
prosecutor.
saying, why are you not?
Because she's just listening right now.
Oh, okay.
It's not her job to tell you what to do. You're gonna have to tell me what you want to do, and I've heard you say that you were going to hire an attorney.
Well, I don't want a public defender,
Okay,
so,
so your options are to hire
Right.
an attorney,
okay, so,
seek an appointment of counsel.
but I want to know, okay, if it is, when I ask you a question, can you, like, if I said it's not their jurisdiction?
Yeah, I can't answer that for you.
Well, I can,
No, I can answer that for
You
you.
can, it's not there.
Well, but I'm not going to because that's,
Well, I know, but,
okay, we're going around in circles.
but no, we're not. I just asked you one question. That's it. I
that
just asked you a
case was-
question.
Do you have a police report? Mr.
I would love to see it because I've not seen that. Oh, I'm sorry. I've never seen it.
Either have I.
Okay. Well, this is a big deal to me.
Of course
I'm
it,
55 and I've never been arrested. I've never had a crime, clean slate. This is a huge deal,
oh, I get it.
huge. Do I need to ask?
You know, you
Oh,
just talk
sorry.
to me.
Oh, that's right. I forgot. I was just reading the chat. This is all Brecken's fault. Direct all complaints to Ms. Brecken.
Oh, you
Not-
talk to you?
Right now, you're not talking. You're
Oh,
just
okay.
sitting there quiet.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, can you have a police report?
I do.
Would you forward it to us, please? Given that that's the expiration of speedy trial, we're going to keep the July 30th trial date, and I will reset a new court date. Ms. Pippin,
Are you talking to me? Oh,
to give Ms. Pippin an opportunity to hire counsel. That's going to have to happen pretty quickly.
who is that on the camera? Is that, I don't know that person.
It's not related to the case.
Oh, okay.
Most people come in by the camera, not in person. You came in person, that's your choice, and you did, that's fine.
It's my first time, so.
All right. Ms. Pittman, like I said, your speedy trial right runs pretty quickly. That's why the trial is currently scheduled for the 30th of July. So I'm going to reset this hearing, which is called a confirmation hearing. I'm going to reset to next Wednesday at 2:00. And I'm going to give you a copy of the police report that you've been asking for all this time. You're going to have it. Now, you've told me you do not want me to appoint a public defender. I'm willing to appoint a public defender for you, but you said you don't want one. And you've told me you are going to hire somebody to represent you.
Well,
So you are going to need to do that in the next week
okay.
so that they can appear with you next Wednesday.
Well, like I said, I did have one.
Right? Yes, but they just
Oh, okay.
withdrew, and you said, good. You were-
No, that's not why.
No, that's exactly what you said.
Well, okay. Okay,
They-
so can
They
I,
have withdrawn. They no longer represent you.
okay, I
You
know,
need an attorney
that's
by
fine.
next Wednesday.
Great. Also, can I ask you a couple questions? Can I,
Do you understand what I just said?
yes,
Okay, and you understand, I'm gonna give you the police reports. You can see.
I want the restraining order
Okay,
as well.
Okay,
That's been
well-
deleted that yet last
no, I
week
know
that,
you want it all
No.
gone, but they can't happen that way.
well, I called and they said there was no restraining
There
order.
is a restraining order.
Well, then I want copies and you're supposed to be served a restraining order as well. I was not. So,
Because the judge at the time noted that you were present in court when the judge told you you could not have contact with Cindy.
bottoms,
Bottom.
yeah, and she
Yes.
has my property,
Yes.
30-year marriage that she has been selling on Facebook
Okay,
Marketplace.
that's,
Well, that's why she
yeah, I
got the
understand you
restraining.
have a whole bunch of things that.
No, it's not things, it's true. I'm telling you
All
the
right,
truth.
we're not doing this. We can be here all afternoon and not
Well,
get it.
yeah, but I would
No,
like
no,
somebody to hear that.
No,
I didn't do
We
anything.
cannot do anything about your charge or your no contact order
Okay.
today.
Well, I don't-
Nothing.
okay.
We cannot do anything about either one.
Well,
of
they
those.
told me it was not there the other day when I called. It's not there.
That's outrageous, Katie.
Your Honor,
Yeah,
the assigned DP on this case is asking whether or not if Ms. Pippin is not able to hire counsel at that next hearing, will it be possible to have a pro se colloquy?
yeah, that will happen, but it's not appropriate, I don't think. And if they're watching, they can figure that out, why it's not appropriate. We'll figure out what we're gonna do. In the meantime, I don't think there's any other thing we can do at this point.
And it was the Elm, right? And I was Pierce County resident.
That doesn't matter.
Okay, well, I'm just telling you, I don't understand this. And so when I
What you've
was,
asked for is a copy of the police report. I'm gonna give you that. You've
Right,
asked
just
for a
like-
copy of the no contact order. I'm gonna give you that.
okay, thank you.
And you're going to come back next Wednesday and tell the judge, whether it's me or somebody else, that you have an attorney and they will be with you or appearing by camera, or that you wish us to appoint a public defender. Those are your options. And you're gonna tell us that next Wednesday. I'm gonna give you these documents so you can read them and then decide. But I will tell you right now, next Wednesday is not a day for the court to make any decision on the no contact order or about your trial date.
Like I said, I don't care about the no contact order. She's contacted me this whole time and I've
All right.
not one time.
Uh,
I follow the
Mr.
rules.
Okay, we're gonna give you a document that tells you you'll be here next week, a copy of the police report and a copy of the no contact order, the things you've all asked for. So you'll be here next Wednesday and the only thing you're gonna tell us next Wednesday is who is going to represent you,
Okay,
okay? All right, so we'll see you next Wednesday and that's the
and,
only
and like
topic
I
of
said, it was
conversation.
okay that they beat me up by 4 guards in the jail.
We're not talking about
Well,
that either.
I am.
Okay, but in a
That's
different.
that's
Oh,
totally cool.
no.
Thank you, we're all done.
Okay, well, I think this is, well, whatever. This
Okay.
is all. So make sure Cindy, say, why is Cindy not here? You, Washington State wasn't there.
All right, fine,
Where's she
We
at?
can't. I don't know.
Well, she needs to be here. She's the one that put this on me, not Washington State.
Okay, thank you.
They said that she would not be here. Let me read this, please.
Here, you can do it back there or out in the lobby or once you get home. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. That was fantastic. Thank you, Brecken. Earlier today, I did a stream, and for just a moment, Jay Regier smiled. He did. I put it on the thumbnail for this very stream. And that was sent to me by Tiffany Ann, who also sent this to me, but wants me to credit Big Tiff Dog for getting the whole appearance. I need to see the whole Dollar General clown versus Regier appearance. And we've got it right here. Let's do this thing.
That room, and you'll see court security too. And now, Mr. White, if you'll click on that little microphone, please.
Can you hear me?
I can't see you, Mr. White. You fight computers like I do, I think. Okay. Now click on the microphone. I need video and audio. There you go. Can you hear me, Mr. White?
I can hear you guys.
All right, sir. We're on the record in 2025, TR 878, State of Kansas versus Brent Lee White. Jared Regier for the state. The defendant appears in person and pro se. You are Brent White? Yes? Sir, are you Brent White?
Yeah, I'm here for Brent White.
You're not Brent White?
I am what gets called Brent White. How do I turn this camera around? I'm trying to show you.
Well, you're looking good. You're
Oh, good Lord. Is General Store Dollar General clown also a soft sit? Because that fits, if so.
appeared good for me. You can't see?
Okay.
Hey now.
All right. So,
You're good for me.
All right. It's okay.
all right. So you're Brent Lee White? Sir? I'm not clear on that. Do you
This,
answer for
yeah,
Brent Lee?
that's what the driver's license says.
That's what your driver's license says. Is that what your birth certificate says?
That's what it says.
Okay. So in count
Oh,
one,
good
you are
Lord.
accused of operating a motor vehicle without a license, or at least a valid license, in Butler County on
I mean, Clown Shoes has some competition now. Now, he did admit in one of the hearings somewhere in my playlist that he was studying to be a magician in addition to his studying of law. But now we've got an actual Dollar General clown taking up the subset cause.
February 24th, of 2025. This charge is a Class B misdemeanor. If convicted, you could be ordered to serve up to 6 months in the county jail, although probation's an option. And you could be ordered to pay a fine up to $1,000, although we often see a much lower amount imposed. In count two, you're accused of driving on that same date without liability insurance. And this charge is a B misdemeanor. If convicted, you could pay up to $1,000 in fines and serve an additional 6 months in the county jail. Now, this charge has a minimum fine that you must pay of at least $300, but no more than $1,000. You do have the right to hire an attorney. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, you can apply and see if you qualify for a court appointed, or you can waive your right and represent yourself. Mr. White, how do you wish to proceed on the issue of an attorney?
Well,
I'm sorry, you're cutting in and out.
I wouldn't want to let anybody else represent me.
Okay, you're going to have a better communication signal than what I've just heard, because I didn't hear but bits and pieces of that. You seem to be moving around a lot. Where are you?
Minneapolis, Pawnee. My phone, it keeps dying. It's too hot outside to do this. It says
Well,
that
Mr. White, we have to be able to understand each other. Where are you?
Wichita, Kansas.
You're at Wichita, Kansas?
Yes. The corner of Pawnee and Minneapolis.
Okay. Can you get to a different location where I can hear you
my
better?
phone is like the milk. I got it plugged in right. This is the only plug-in I got.
Well, I may have to set this case over to another day, and you may have to come to the courthouse, because I am just not hearing you. You just keep cutting in and out. It's just not working.
I motion to dismiss.
You motion to what?
Dismiss.
Well, if you're going to motion to dismiss, you're going to have to do it where I can hear you and hear your argument.
I hate to tell you this, Brent, but you moved to dismiss. I mean, I don't know if we can get too technical with the language at the moment. That's what's funny about this. You can't hear him, but I know, because I'm a certified sovereign citizen specialist. Well, there's no certification, but I'm self-certified sovereign citizen specialist. And I know that nothing he is saying is worth hearing.
I've already paid $1,500 to the BUDC. That's the BCDC. You can't read people's handwriting, but it's a Butler County cash bond. I was arrested on a bench warrant. County said a bench warrant for court, and today is the only court date I've ever had in Butler County until then.
I do see that you posted a
Can't even spell ACDC. I mean, come on.
$1,500 cash bond on June 7th of 2025 for you to appear today, and you have, but
What was the court date before day? What was the court date before it was?
I
Which court
can't,
date?
I can't conduct hearing with this kind of in and out volume. So can you get to a better location?
There's Burger King over here, possibly better. Dollar General.
Okay, go to Dollar General and see if that'll,
When wherever you are, Burger King's a step up from that. It's time to get out of there.
help.
Can you still see me?
I can still see you.
I mean, I really shouldn't talk. I had this for dinner. I did. So I shouldn't judge. But, you know, I'm going to
While
anyway.
you're
Hear me.
relocating, Mr. White, while you're relocating, while you are, okay, you're in the Dollar General now.
I am.
Okay, I think we can hear you now. Yeah, but you're gonna have to stop
Okay.
moving around.
Now, how do I turn this camera around so I can show you what's
You're doing fine. I can see you. I would say don't turn it around, stand still in one place.
okay? So the cash bond, I was arrested on a bench warrant for
Now you
not showing up to
still
court.
okay. All right, let's try this again. Stay in one place where you were. I heard you better. I think the deeper you go into the store, the more you lose signal. So can you go back more towards the outer door?
Yeah, can you hear me right here?
Yes, that's very good. Don't move. All right. Now, we're still on the record in state of Kansas versus Brentley White, 2025 TR 878. Jared Regier is still present for the state, and Mr. Brentley White is now at a location where I think we can conduct this hearing properly. And Mr. White, I acknowledge that you did post a cash bond in the amount of $1,500 on June 7th, 2025.
Note that Mr. Regier is his usual stoic self. When it happens, and I think we have a little ways to go, but when it happens, it's so delicious.
To appear here today on count one, operating a motor vehicle without a valid license.
That's not what this says, though. I disagree. It's not what it says. It says be here August 27th,
Okay. All right.
2025.
I'm reading from your complaint and information. And I've already gone over this, but I'm not sure the way your communication was going in and out that you heard me. You are charged with driving without a license, a B misdemeanor, and driving without liability insurance, another B misdemeanor. These both have maximum penalties of $1,000 fine and 6 months in jail. The insurance does have a minimum must order fine of $300. Sir, you have the right to an attorney. You can hire any attorney of your choice. If you cannot afford an attorney, you can apply and see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. You also have the right to waive attorney and represent yourself. How do you wish to proceed on the issue of an attorney?
I'd like to talk to an attorney, but I don't want anybody to represent
Yeah,
me. But
move forward or whatever you were doing a while ago where I heard you.
I do want to speak with a lawyer, but I don't want a lawyer. I don't want anybody to represent me but myself.
Okay. What I heard out of your garbled voice, you want an attorney, but you do not want anybody to represent you, and then I kind of lost it.
I will represent myself.
Oh, you will represent yourself. Are you an
But I
attorney,
would
sir?
like-
Are you an attorney, sir? I'm just
Is,
asking.
I'm not.
You're not, okay, but you want to represent yourself. You do not want to train
I am shocked. I thought for sure this guy was an attorney.
to schooled attorney.
I would like to consult with one. See,
All right.
this says it's for me to show up on August 27th.
Okay, that is a receipt.
That's the cash bond. That's the cash bond that you were talking about. It said that I was to show up here.
Is
Your
that,
Honor, I'm
Yes.
sorry to interrupt, but I understand why he's confused. His summons was for today's date, and then there were orders put into his case due to an unserved summons. He was arrested and bonded out, and his bond date is for August 27th. And that's where he keeps getting that date from. So his bond is not yet in his case.
Yes, all that, and also he's dumber than a bag of hammers.
Just received the money for the cash bond.
okay,
It was paid January 7th or June 7th.
all right. Well, you were told to be here today. You are here today.
And I was told that the bench warrant was for this court hearing. I mean, this is the first time I've had court in Butler County.
The day you, let's see.
There was a sheriff at my house to give me the summons for this day, and a neighbor told me about it. I called the sheriff's department. I was able to get a hold of the sheriff who was at my house, who told me that court was the 16th of July. I told him, I couldn't be there by 10, but I called the sheriff's department every time I went to that house. I never had another officer come to give me the summons.
All right, April
I did.
20, sir, April 21st, 2025, a summons was issued for you to appear July 16th, 2025. That much is correct. The problem is they could not locate you to serve you with that summons.
I called the sheriff's department every
Hold
time I
on.
went to that house in Lakeland.
Hey, sir, listen. So because they could not find you, after 8 days, they returned the summons to the court. And it said, the return said the address appeared to be vacant. And
No, I
they were
talked to the
unable to
officer.
serve them.
I talked to the officer on the phone. I told him that next time I was in town, I would call him. I called him. I was there like 3 or 4 times, and nobody ever showed up. I called, look at the call log, asked the operators at the
Okay.
sheriff's department. They got tired of hearing.
I cannot hear a word you're saying. It is too garbled. When you go back to where you were initially, when you first went in the store and I could hear you,
This is it right here.
you're at the front of the store.
Yes.
Well, I can hear you for a word or two and then I lose you. Okay, so that was April 21st that the summons issued. April 29th that it came back that the place looked empty and they couldn't find you.
No, I called them. They never showed up.
So let me finish, please. So then, May 28th, 2025, I did authorize an arrest warrant, and you were picked up on that, and you posted a cash bond around June 7th. Actually, the return of the service was June 9th, 2025. And you did. Who is that customers I'm hearing in the store?
That was me. I told you my phone. It's 2%. I guess it's about to die.
All right. So anyway, you posted a $1,500 cash bond, and here we are. So let's get on to the business at hand. You have these charges. You said you want to waive your right to an attorney?
No, that's not what I said.
All right. Are you going to hire an attorney?
I don't have any money.
All right. Are you going to apply for court-appointed attorney?
Is a court-appointed attorney going to represent me?
Well, that's what they do. They represent defendants.
Okay. Yeah, let's do it.
All right, can you put your camera back on?
I don't know. I don't know how. I'm trying. I don't know how.
Do you see the red camera looking icon with the line through it?
No, I see.
Run your finger down the side or the bottom of your screen and see if it pops up.
I see the home screen, the team chat, the docs, the calendar, more.
Missy, do you want to jump in there if you have any ideas for me?
What? I'm in court, man. I'm getting kicked out of the store now. I'm out of here, man.
Okay.
No, you're good. Yeah, we just have any going on and stuff like that.
My phone's fixing to die. What's the next date I can do this?
Now let's continue this, but you be at the courthouse in El Dorado at the next hearing.
I can't.
You have to.
I got no way to be there.
Well,
Got no way to get there.
if you can't find a way, I will issue a warrant and the officers will pick you up and bring you.
I know. And I'm not trying to do that. I'm trying to do everything I can to not have that happen. Just like when I was calling
I am
the
going.
sheriff's
Why are you
department.
talking fine? If you'll just start your camera, I can hear you fine.
I don't know how to start my camera.
Hang on, Missy, do you have any suggestions?
I got scheduled a meeting.
Listen, stop and listen, Missy.
I can ask him to start his camera. He started it a while ago, so I don't know why he can't start it
Where?
now.
All right. Okay, Mr. White,
There, can you see me?
I can see you. All right,
Okay.
you're applying for a court-appointed attorney or you're not?
I'm applying for a court-appointed attorney.
Okay. Okay, this right here, we already did it a little bit on the other stream, but this is an even better copy of it. Get ready. This is one of the greatest moments in the history of Law Talk with Mike. Watch Attorney Regier as this unfolds.
All right. Where do you work, sir?
K15 and Pawnee flea market.
You work at a flea market at
Well,
K15.
I work downtown Wichita. I'm a street clown. I pedal a rickshaw.
Which is it? You work at a flea
I
market?
have more than one job. Is it
All
not
right. Okay.
okay to have more than one job?
Sir, slow down, listen, and then answer. You work part-time at a flea market at K15 in Pawnee. How much do you make per month doing that?
This is my second weekend. I made $23. But my
Quit
truck is
moving, sir.
broken
If you
down.
would quit moving, I could hear you better. You get a good location and then you move away from it.
This is my second weekend. I made $23. But wait, there's more. The real good part's coming up.
All right, so far $23.
$23. All right. You have a job as a street cleaner for Wichita?
Street clown.
Oh, a street clown.
I pedal a rickshaw. Yes, I pedal a rickshaw. I advertise for local businesses, which I'm not. Ain't got no advertisements right now.
All right. So you're not making anything at that right now. What else do you do?
That's it.
All right. Why did you turn your phone off? Your picture's gone again.
Because it's dying. It's dying. My phone's at 1%. I told you it's
All
gonna
right,
die.
Miss Destiny, when can he come back? What? Don't make it that October date.
No, Your Honor, I was going to suggest the August 6th one. It's probably the last one I can put on there.
That's my daughter's birthday. That's my daughter's birthday.
August 6th, 9 a.m. You must be present at the Butler.
I
County
can't
Courthouse.
be there.
You will.
I can't be there. I can't make it that day.
You will, or you'll forfeit your $1,500 cash bond, Mr. White.
I'm asking, can we schedule it a different day? I can't make it.
We're moving mountains to get you a date on August 6th.
Let's just finish it right now.
Well, then make your camera work.
Your Honor,
Mr. Regier.
Your Honor, the state would respectfully have it noted on the record that given the attempt at a hearing that the court has made during today, the state does have concerns about preserving the integrity of the record.
Well, I have that concern too. Mr. White, I'm continuing this to August 6th at 9 a.m. You must be here or you will forfeit.
That was just Regier's attempt to to recover. He was ashamed that he almost cracked. It was valiant. He did well. He did well. You have nothing to be ashamed of, Mr. Regier. Nothing. You did awesome. But he he has to barge in with something uptight to overcompensate for it.
Your bond and you will have a
I'm
warrant.
asking, can we do can we
I can't. I really
pick another
can't.
day? October here.
No, October is too far out. We need to get this resolved. If you want a court-appointed attorney, contact the clerk and they can send you an application. And we can get that taken care of. It sounds like you're probably going to easily qualify. Do you have any other jobs besides street clown and flea market?
Yeah, Old Town Rickshaw and flea market. And that's it. I'm looking. I'm trying.
All right. You don't have any other sources of income?
I don't.
Who supports you generally?
Me.
On $23 a week?
I got a garden. My water comes from a well.
1 week.
Okay. Are
On
you,
the property I live on. That's
okay. What's the value of the property you live on?
I don't know. $100. I
Okay.
don't. I can't say.
All right. Are you married or
100
single?
bucks.
Married.
And does your wife work?
She's a teacher.
She's a teacher, a
So
school
she's
teacher?
she's not working right now because school's not in session.
All right. Where does she teach? What school does she teach at? Yeah, we're just not having a good hearing. Mr. Regier's right. So we're going to set this over to August 6th, 9 a.m. Turn in your application for court-appointed attorney, which you can get.
October. I'm asking for. I can't be there. I can't be there August 6th.
That is the only time I can fit it in, Mr. White, and that's the order of the court.
Not possible. Not possible.
That's the only time I've got to do it. And I'm not going to set this over to October,
I
which
can
is my
do it.
next
I can
thing.
do it on Google Meets again.
We are going to adjourn at this
It won't be
time.
like this. It won't
Your
be
Honor,
like
is
this
this
on
in
Google.
person?
It is in person. He is to be at the courthouse,
I
so I
can't be
don't
there in person.
have
I
this
can't be there in person. I
nightmare
can be there.
communication system. This is just totally unacceptable, and you've got till August 6th to find a ride. We'll be in recess at this time.
Can we please do another day? Another
Well, I
day.
wish I could. Destiny, can you do any other day? Is it because it's your daughter's birthday or because you don't have a ride? Because
I don't have a.
well,
Because I don't have a ride.
you're gonna have a ride problem any time. But I'm
I'm not
exhausted with this argument, sir. We're not getting anywhere. So you may go
I'm
with
just
this.
trying to see if I can make it there. You're saying open up here when you can't make it. I can make it there in October.
Your Honor,
Yes.
his bond date was set for August 27th.
All right. August 27th is when you have to be here.
All right. I was already planning on that. Perfect.
All right. August 27th, 9 a.m. Be here at the courthouse. All right. You may go, sir.
Your Honor,
Yes, sir.
I have a Johnny Bosley here at the courthouse. He got here at 11:40.
All right.
Johnny,
Just down.
Please help
Please.
Mrs. White, please. Missy.
What was that, Judge? You want me to disconnect him?
Mr. White,
Yes,
yes.
please disconnect me.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Bosley. We are on the record in 2025 TR 1334, State of Kansas versus
Ah, there you have it. That was absolutely beautiful. That was absolutely beautiful. If you didn't like Regier before, you have to now. That was a beautiful, very well simulated human moment there. he could. Judge Webster's like, oh, are you, you're like a cleaner in this area, and he's like, no, I'm a clown, which is hilarious. It is. And Regier did not want to crack, but he did. He did a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. Street clown. Good stuff. Thank y'all for coming out. I appreciate it. I will see y'all soon.